Welcome back to KPsKINGDOM, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how I make my avocado caprese pasta salad. Alright, really nice and easy one, this one, and really good. Here we've got around about half a cup's worth of sour cream, or cream fraiche if you want to go that way, and put that into a bowl. Now I'm going to add in around about a third of a cup's worth of Italian balsamic dressing, right, salad dressing. Put that in, give that a really good mix through, and I don't think there's enough herbs in that, so I'm going to add in some chives, around about, let's say 2 tablespoons worth. That can go straight in, and a little dash of dill that can go straight in as well. Alright, give that all good stir like that, mix it all up just like I'm doing right there, and once we've got this really nice smooth dressing, we can put that aside and put that in the refrigerator. Here I've got some Parmesan or Pecorino cheese. I prefer the Pecorino because I like the funk that it gives out, and we're just going to shave that up using our vegetable peeler, just like that. Really simple. Alright, I've got some Solmato tomatoes, and I'm just going to quarter these up, and you can quarter them up any which way you prefer, and in the end I decided to go straight down the center and then cut them in half again. Alright, really simple. Okay, so once that is done, we've got a little bit of ham that I've gone to my delicatessen and purchased, and they've cut it nice and thin for me, and this is a really nice aged ham, and we're just going to tear that into little pieces just like that. Put that into a bowl just like that, and next thing we need to do is pasta salad. We need pasta. I'm going to use spirals. That is my preferred choice for a salad, and look, if you don't know how to cook pasta, read the back of the packet like I do and cook it that way. Right, I'll leave that up, Mrs. KP. A little dash of olive oil into a salad bowl, just like that. Little dash of salt to taste, and that goes in. Give that a quick stir, and in goes our freshly cooked pasta, our little spirals, just like that. Give that a stir, and get all those flavors incorporated into each other. Now, what I do every time I add an ingredient, I will give that a stir just to make sure that we've got even coverage of flavor. Alright, 1 avocado. Mrs. KP is going to cut that in half, just like that. Give it a twist, and the seed comes out. Stab the seed, give that a quarter twist, and that seed will come out. Now, we're not going after pretty little slices or anything like that. Mrs. KP is just going to chunk this out like that, straight into our salad. So we just work our way through the avocado just with a teaspoon, and we're going to just chunk that out, little chunks of avocado. Alright, again, we're going to stir, get all those flavors incorporated, and make sure this salad is really nice and even. Alright, so Mrs. KP's done that, and my next step is a little bit more dressing, just like that. We're going to put that in, and that dressing with the little bit of acid is going to stop the avocado from going brown, and also start getting those flavors all incorporated together. Right, so stir, just like that. Just every time you add an ingredient, just give it a little bit of a stir, a little bit of a toss if you wanted to go that way. In goes our 250 grams worth of tomatoes. That goes straight in just like that, and once again we're going to stir and get that dressing covering everything together. Now if it's starting to look a bit dry, add a little bit more of that dressing. We've made a lot of it, and we've made more than what we actually need. Add as much or little dressing as you like. Now in goes our ham, just like that, straight in, and once again we're going to do the stirrage factor once again. just going to stir that all the way through, just like that. Get all those flavors incorporated. There's nothing better than all these fresh ingredients all together on a hot summer's day. A little bit more dressing, looks a bit dry to me. Right, add that in just like that, and I'm going to add in some fresh basil that I've roughly sort of torn, chopped, ripped, whatever way you want to call it. And I'm also going to add in our Parmesan or Pecorino cheese straight over the top. Now, how simple is this salad to actually make? Really nice, easy, fresh, and you put that in the center of the table and people can just eat a hamburger or whatever and grab a little bit of that salad as they want. Like you see, try and make this one at home. Thank you so much for watching this video, really do appreciate it. And if you want to learn how to make this salad, well, it's a good chance that you need to subscribe to the channel. Hit that notifications bell, be notified every time a new video goes up, and share this video with all your friends. We're trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there, and don't forget to leave a comment. I love reading and I love responding, and I respond to every single valid comment. In the meantime, once again, if you want to learn how to make really nice, quick and easy summertime dish like this, well, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. I'm off to eat my avocado caprese salad, and I will catch you next time. Bye.